So today I'm going to show you how to make a poor man's stud welder for automotive dent pulling studs. This is the easiest, cheapest way to do it without having to buy one of those guns that can run you, like $90 plus. You're going to need a MIG welder, wire welder, can't remember which one they are. MIG or TIG, but anyway. Here's the little Harbor Freight, eBay or whatever. Yeah, 130 amp MIG. Get your little wire welder. Get you insulated pliers. Put your stud in the pliers. Apply your ground to the pliers and then weld it up. There you go. You now have a stud that you can use to pull out dents. And all it costs you is, if you already have a couple tools, a couple dollars for the studs. And you can use these, you can pull them with the dent puller, and there you go.